Hi, I'm Tanya from the data science team here at PredictHQ. In the next couple minutes, I'll show you how to use Beam on Control Center. Beam is an automated correlation engine that reveals the events which drives demand for your business. Let's get started. First, we'll create a new analysis. The demand we'll be using here comes from a parking business, so we'll call this analysis parking. Next up, we'll need to select the location. We can either choose a save location from Location Insights or create a new one. Our location is already here, so let's select that and upload our demand. Now we'll just need to choose our file. The demand that you upload can be in any unit, for example, sales or room bookings. It just needs to satisfy a few straightforward requirements, which you can see here on the left-hand side. Next, we'll create our analysis. The first section of our analysis is category importance. This indicates how statistically significant each category is in explaining your demand. This is really useful when trying to find important features for your forecasting models. You can also toggle here to reveal the underlying p-values. Next, we have a plot of our demand, which is decomposed using our own non-parametric decomposition algorithm. And we have 4 time series available here: actual demand, baseline demand, remainder, which is the difference between actual and baseline and represents the unexplained demand, and predicted attendance. As an example, here we have a day with a huge remainder, and on this day, we have a large festival. You can also click here to view full details of the event. In this section, we have a table of key dates where events may be impacting your demand. And similarly, you can also click on these events. You can also view the full details, or you can click View All to see all the events taking place that day. There are several things you can do with this analysis. You can share with someone, you can export the data as CSV, or you can download a ready-to-use report. Beam is also available as an API and does everything you see here. Beam on Control Center helps you understand how events impact your demand. If you would like to use our data in your models, if you need some advice on how to build machine learning features, or if you have a large number of locations that you want to analyze, get in touch with us and we'll see what we can do.